Hi friends, I'm Shanta. Today for all my non-Kannadiga friends, I'm going to teach you how to talk to the vegetable vendors when you are buying vegetables. So when you go to the vegetable vendor, you ask them to reduce the price. So how to ask them to reduce the price? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Please reduce the price. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ. So this is for reduce the price. So swalpa, when you say swalpa, swa plus pa. Then kami means reduce. Okay, MMI. Then Madi, Madi means reduce, that is a word. So swalpa means thoda, thoda kam kar do, thoda kam kar do. So it is thoda, swalpa means thoda, kam kar do. So it is swalpa kammi madi. So swalpa is thoda, swalpa is a little, thoda or a little. Then kammi is come, reduce. Madi means kardo. Do it. So hope you understood. Swalpa kammi madi means thoda kam kardo. Swalpa means thoda, kammi means kam, madi kardo. So I think you got this. Repeat it again and again. Then you will get it easily, or else repeat my video. Try to get that fluency in Kannada. Swalpa kammi madi. Hope it was good. So see you in the next class. Bye bye. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye bye.